Data analytics is used a lot in today's environment. It's being used right now without people really knowing it's there. According to an article called Data Science versus Big Data versus Data Analytics by Siobhan Aroa, they cite from an article in Forbes that states that data is growing faster than ever before, and by the year 2020, about 1.7 megabytes of new information will be created every second for every human being on the planet. That, in my opinion, is a lot of gigabytes per person, like every second. According to a different article called Data Analytics by Jake Frankenfield, they define data analytics as the science for drawing insights from raw information sources. Data analytics are found more in the digital environment, like in the DuPont case. We use the Tableau software to, like, on our laptops and computers, and when we use that, we used a Excel file that was provided that had 3 years of information. We uploaded that into the Tableau software. From there, then we did different analysis on the software to find out different information that we needed to find out. And then from the same article previously mentioned, this type of analytics information helps increase efficiency of a business or software of a digital platform the company uses. Data analytics can be used in anything. It can be used in the accounting department, finance department, retail, marketing, or it can even be used on the internet. According to the article by Siobhan Aroa called Data Science versus Big Data versus Data Analytics, data analytics is used in healthcare, travel, gaming, and even in the energy environment and in energy management. Data analytics helps a company or business run on a daily basis by seeing problems, solving those, seeing places that need to be updated, to find out information that the company wants to know, to find out, for example, like the profits for the last 2 or 3 years. Basically, it helps them run their business more efficiently for the company to succeed now and in the future. From an article by Jake Frankenfield called Data Analytics, there are 4 common types of data analytics that are out there today, which are descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. In conclusion, as you can see, data analytics is a big and important part of our society today. Without it, companies would not be able to see how they are doing internally within their organization or externally, like, for example, with competitors. They couldn't see how they compare with them. They would also not be able to run smoothly as they could right now without data analytics. And lastly, data analytics is not something that can be physically seen or you can see it easily. So people often forget about it because it's more found on the digital, like on a laptop or a computer. It's more in like the digital environment. So one of the sources I used for this presentation was an article called Data Analytics by Jake Frankenfield. And the last source I used was an article called Data Science versus Big Data versus Data Analytics by Siobhan Aroha. And that's it. Thank you for listening.